So I would like to welcome Anthony, welcome Dr. Fatma, welcome the other fantastic speakers, okay, who are joining us today. We have as well Frederick Rudy. Today is a very important event for us because we want to share with the audience the great experience we have from you as speakers, as great keynote speakers. Dr. Fatma is the head of AI and blockchain research in the King Abdulaziz University, and she as well is heading the AI Society in KSA. Anthony is an expert in operational excellence, and he's a manager at Molex. I have attended some events for him before, and I have to say he has great experience. Rudy is a fellow, is a very good friend of us. He's director of process mining at a company called Flexicon, and he uses software called Desco, which we use to discover many things, many hidden facts about processes. We have as well Frederick. Frederick Khoury is great in taking us into experience about Azure technical training, and he will help us to understand more about Microsoft's strategy and how digital transformation is happening globally. Okay, so we'd like, on behalf of Symbios Group, I would like to welcome everyone. And there is a question which we always ask people: where are we with technology? Because technology is supposed to help us. Technology is supposed to make our life easy. Technology is supposed to make us productive, okay? Basically, everyone in his job, in operations, in planning, in delivery, in anything you do, even if you build a strategy for your company, you always think about how you can improve what you are doing every day, and how you can solve your problems, how you can create real long-term something that helps you to prevent problems from happening again, okay? Everyone talks about processes improvement for years. We have been talking about many fantastic tools, and technology has been there to help us to make our life easy. Now, after COVID and after what is going on, we discovered that many things can be done in an easier and digital way. So when we talk about digital transformation, it has been more than 30 years, as I said. We have heard about lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, Toyota production system, total quality management, operational excellence, Six Sigma. We have been doing lots of things for the processes which are visible. We invested billions in ERP systems and technology solutions which should solve our problems. And unfortunately, sometimes we found that these solutions have become for us as a block, not helping us. They are disabling us. Why? Because we didn't have the right process in place. We simply go to digitized chaos. So in this time, no one can afford to live with digitized chaos. We talk about Industry 4.0, where you don't have to write standards anymore, very big documents. The products are smart, machines are smart, machines talk to each other. Processes are much smarter than before. Everything is based on data. And now no person on earth, our head, our mind cannot afford the amount of data, generated data every moment, every second, everywhere. Lots of data are generated everywhere. Now we use smart machines, injection machines, presses, molding machines, filling lines, processing lines. Every now is becoming now so smart. And the beauty about it is that machines talk to each other, generate the data, and make the decision, and everyone's life becomes much easier than before, okay? So there must be a way or a strategy to build it to help us to bridge or to take the bridge to Industry 4.0, okay? Even some people now talk about Industry 5.0, okay? So it's about connectivity. It's about using the technology, not abusing technology. How we can use the technology to help us and to serve our needs. For me, I've been working more than 25 years in operational excellence, and I tell people it's all about, and management, when we start, it's all about people. We invest in our people. And we will continue investing in our people, okay? But we lack the proper way to make use of technology, because our people control our processes. And our processes which we design need to be used and facilitated and smartified by technology. Technology can solve many of our problems in a fast way and helping us to increase productivity and the decision making in the right way. In operations, we talk to management about being agile, sense and respond, sensing the change and responding to it in the market, sensing the problems in the processes and responding to it. So instead of waiting long time to find out about a problem, technology can help you sense it quickly and respond as well. And this can improve productivity in a tremendous way. What else we need when we think about processes, and this is summary of our experience when we talk about processes, it's not only people or process or technology, we look as well at governance, creating the right KPIs, building the intelligence capabilities in the process, that the process would become intelligent and make decision for itself. Think about maintenance planning, how we can be proactive instead of being reactive. Think about customer journey with your company, how you can sense and how can the system and the technology help you to generate the alarm and alert so we take the right decision. We don't wait for customers to complain. We talk about SLA, service level agreement. We cannot follow each process order or each process requisition or each purchase requisition. We can't follow every customer order manually. This will invest a lot of money for us to have people to follow in each process. But technology can do it for free. In reality, it's for free. You can have the SLA built into your process, and the process is smart to give you the alarm and make people see, and everything becomes visible. Think about it. Think about change management. To succeed, we have to work in parallel on the 5. Upskilling and reskilling our people, having the right processes. Okay, we don't want chaos. So when we use technology, we don't come with digitized chaos. We have the right governance and measurement and SLAs in place in an automated and smart way. Think how you can make your processes simple, smart, and speedy. That's what we should think about. And always investing in your people and in your leadership and in your management. Simply when we talk about Industry 4.0, most of companies forget about their people and leadership as well. How can we become Industry 4.0 if our management and our people are still at 1.0? We don't use data in the right way. So today is our focus is to talk about how companies now are becoming data-driven organizations. We started the journey for Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma more than 30 years ago to help companies, but still people didn't understand the statistics. Now it's built in with the software. It will do it for you. You don't need to talk about very complex theory or hypothesis testing or regression or anything. It will be done in an easy way and decision will be made, okay? Many of our dreams can be easy just using the data. The data is generated in real time, error-free, and everything is about my customer, is customer-centric. And in this way, what we can gain, our dream is to eliminate waste and double and triple productivity. We have been working with our fellows from Japan and 20 keys, helping companies implement lean manufacturing. It takes us like 3 to 4 years to increase productivity of a company to 50% increase, maybe double productivity. It will take us 3 to 5 years. But now with digital transformation, you can easily get high gains in increasing productivity and making great ROIs in much shorter time. Because everyone now is impatient. We want to be better, faster, and of course, cheaper in costs. Easy said, but how can you do it? You have to do it in the right way, with the right approach, learning from the experts, and that's why we have our experts today, okay? Last point I want to talk about is the future of organizations is called DTO, Digital Twin Organizations. The infrastructure and technology invested in many companies all over the world is fantastic. And we can still, and we will invest in more and more because technology is becoming the norm. Technology is not becoming an option. I tell people we have 3 generations of technology. Day to day, we face the 3 generations. At your home, you use your smartphone, whatever your phone you have, Android, iOS, whatever you have a smartphone, you count on it and reading your emails, planning your days, increasing your productivity, knowing your steps, how many steps you have walked, even your health. You have all your information and passwords on your phone. You access your bank account, your credit card payments. Everything is now becoming mobile based, mobile commerce, not even e-commerce. Okay. When we use our cars and drive our cars, we have a step down in technology, little bit still, but our cars are becoming much, much more smarter. But when you go to your work, it's the 3rd generation, even behind in technology. We have great tools, but we don't make use of it. Data is generated and we don't make decisions are based on data. We choose voluntarily, on purpose, to neglect technology, and still some people work the old way, or we use even 2 to 5% of the technology we have. That's what we make use of. The future will not be friendly for us if we continue doing the same way, because customers are changing and the whole world is becoming customer centered, and everything is now is changing, and we are becoming, the future is a digital twin organization where everything is connected together, all technologies, inputs, suppliers and inputs and operations, services or products or channels or clients, everything connected together. Everything in technology is connected together. Okay. So what does this mean? It means that we have to be connected, and all the technology have to be connected to each other to reach the usage or the optimum level of productivity and performance. And we are becoming a digital twin organization. Okay. It's not easy, but we have to start at a point. And there is always a way to start. As I said, in the core of every business, we have the customers, the employees, the products. We always advise companies to think about this triangle, that you need always to invest in your execution, in processes, having technology like IoT, smart machines, smart products, everything is becoming smart and connected, and your ERP, your connectivity in anything in manufacturing, in customer experience, in customer journey. Every device or system or technology or architecture you build in your system will generate data. And real-time analysis, instead of reactive, you do it real-time, so it becomes analytics and data mining. And as well, inside the technology, you have every process by your customer or by your people is logged by a timestamp on the system, and that's what we did using something called process mining.